Don't wait, unveiling its meanings. Hey there! If you're learning English, you've probably come across many short phrases that seem simple, but can actually have deep or varied meanings. Today, we're diving into the phrase, "Don't wait." Let's uncover its layers together. Don't wait, at its core, is a straightforward command. It's made up of two parts. 1. Don't, a contraction of do not, used to give a negative command or instruction. 2. Wait, a verb that means to stay in place in expectation of something or to delay taking action. When combined, the phrase simply instructs someone not to delay or hesitate. It's asking the person to take action now rather than later. Phrases in English often have meanings that go beyond the literal, depending on the context they're used in. Here are a few. 1. Urgency. If someone is in a dangerous situation, and you shout, "Don't wait," you're telling them it's urgent and they should move quickly. 2. Opportunity. If a friend is hesitant about taking up a job offer and you advise, "Don't wait," you're suggesting they seize the opportunity before it's gone. 3. Life advice. Used in a broader sense, "Don't wait" could be advice to not procrastinate in life, to live in the moment, or to take chances when they come. Let's talk about some scenarios where you might hear or use "don't wait." 1. Shopping sales. During a limited time sale, a shop assistant might say, "Don't wait. Stock is limited." 2. In emergencies. In a medical emergency, someone might say, "Don't wait. Call an ambulance." 3. Making decisions. If someone is contemplating a decision and taking too much time, a friend might advise, "Don't wait too long." Phrases in English, even short ones like "don't wait," can pack a lot of meaning. It's all about the situation and the intention behind the words. We hope this deep dive helps you understand and use the phrase with confidence. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.